There are so many videos talking about twin flame, and by reading about it or by knowing about it, there are so many people who wanted to be in a twin flame journey or want to be called twin flame, but they fails or they forget to know that twin flame only talks about the pure love. They doesn't believe in love that comes from any kind of outer attraction. Attraction comes from by looking someone's beauty, or any kind of attraction coming from how much famous that person is, how much good looking that person is, or how much money or status or how much powerful that person is. नमस्ते माय ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स। मैं ये बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि सिर्फ खाली ट्विन फ्लेम्स ही नहीं हैं जो ट्रू लव होते हैं। देयर आर अदर सोल्स टू जिनको इसका सही मतलब पता है और वो उस चीज़ को निभाना भी जानते हैं। भले ही चाहे वो सोलमेट हो या हाई लेवल ऑफ सोलमेट हो, उन सबको पता है कि व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रू लव, बिकॉज ट्रू लव डजंट कम इजीली। और इस चीज़ पे मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि सबके अपने अपने चॉइसेस होते हैं। द काइंड ऑफ लव दे बिलीव एंड द काइंड ऑफ लव दे वांट इज द काइंड ऑफ लव दे गेट। यूनिवर्स लॉ सिंपल है। दे आर सोलमेट, हाई लेवल सोलमेट और ट्विन फ्लेम, they all are equally powerful and never compromises on love. They know its meaning and they fight for it, and they find ways and solution to be together with each other. That's why they are called the divine couples. And some get soulmate or a twin flame before their marriages, some get after their marriages or any kind of separation, because life is full of challenges. Due to any kind of responsibility or unawareness about what their soul want, they enter into karmic or karmic soulmate. But when they get to know what their soul want, they come out from it, because for them love is not about finding right partner, but also finding someone whom they can be devoted with each other. And getting a soulmate is a blessing in today's world, because most of the people are dealing with karmic and karmic soulmate. All three souls are based on true love, but high level soulmate and soulmate journey are given purely on love, where people get inspired from you, they learn from you the real meaning of true love. Whereas twin flame, they have other responsibilities to do. For example, the soulmate and high level soulmate difference is कि they are exactly same, their souls are exactly same. जैसे बोलते नहीं कि वाइब मैच हो गई, वैसा सीन होता है. एंड इन ट्विन फ्लेम दे आर the missing element of each other, where they says कि that person completes me. As their responsibilities are much more higher on earth, because purposely they have been given the highest magnetic field, and their energies help to maintain the good aura and good vibration on earth. Because of it, when you see a divine feminine, no matter how she look, people who are healed or unhealed, they want to be in her aura because of her healing energies, which make other people get attracted towards the divine feminine. Until and unless a person who have dark energies inside them, they mostly try to stay out of her aura, or they have a reason to soak her good energies and become more powerful, is the reason somewhere universe forces all the divine feminines keep boundaries to know which people are coming with what intention, because their energies are not only used by people but also for the earth. Similarly, divine masculine have the powerful energies which makes him look positively attractive, and people wants to be his friend, but he is friendly, but he knows how to set boundaries, and he never let any kind of people who have a bad aura to come into his aura. And this magnetic field has been created so that they can find each other. Suppose this is the soul of divine masculine and this is the soul of divine feminine. Their highest magnetic field is so that they can attract each other. Their magnetic field has been created so that they can find each other in this world, but due to certain reason, number one is dark energies. As dark energies being evil, they never want something good to be happen, so they create disturbance by blocking their ways. Second is people around them, because having an highest magnetic aura or their ancient wisdom, they want them in their life, which give wrong signals to the universe and it creates disturbance in their reunion. And third one is, the main one is the ancestors. दिख ही नहीं रहा है. So mostly twin flames are born for three reasons. One is humanity. Second is Earth's healing. Third is ancestral curse. As marriages of twin flame are considered as the breaking of ancestral curse or breaking the same kind of pattern which is going by their generation in their families. Because of these reasons, their awakening has been done so that they can get awakened and know their purpose and start working on it without wasting any time. As during the process of awakening, they learn many kind of inner work which makes them give right vision about their own life, about their own purpose, so that they can work for it and work for the real purpose they have been sent on earth. And now coming to the main topic about our video is how they protect each other. दूसरा बनाती हूँ. Suppose it's the soul of divine feminine and this one is the soul of, उल्टा बना दिया, समझ जाना, divine masculine. This is the anima, this is the animus. These are their physical soul and these are the spiritual soul or a body, you can say. So because they are the counterpart of each other, they have a set of image in their mind what kind of a partner they want in their life, and they never get attracted to those kind of a people who doesn't match their energies or their vibe. The problem is, this is Kalyug. We have been trapped by Maya and we get cheated. Their inner voice will always guide them what kind of a partner they want, what kind of a soul will be able to complete them, but they still faces 2 or maximum 4 partner in their life before meeting their twin flame, and that is also because of their soul contract, or divine purposely send them into their life for their own growth, so that they can come more closer to awakening. And this happens when they both get agree to their soul contract because of some kind of a wishes they have made. And how it works ki other masculine suppose this is the energies of divine masculine. The spiritual body of a divine masculine protects the physical soul and body of a divine feminine with his shield, and divine feminine protects his inner energies. As DF is always about the inner energies and DM is always about the outer energies. So whenever any other person enters into the field of divine feminine, only stays until and unless their contract has been fulfilled. As the inner voice of divine feminine always guides her that she should remain protected from the partners which came into her life before meeting his twin flame. And how divine feminine protects his divine masculine is कि whether feminines enter into the zone of divine masculine, she makes sure that divine masculine never find peace or a kind of emotional support from those feminine, and there will always be a kind of feeling of incompletion in the divine masculines. So that's how they protect each other spiritually and in this physical world, even without meeting. It's a sacred journey. अभी यहाँ पे कई सारे लोग क्या करते हैं कि ये बोलते हैं कि हमें हमारा डिवाइन फेमिनाइन चाहिए या डिवाइन मैस्कुलाइन चाहिए, एंड उसके चक्कर में वो इतने सारे पार्टनर्स कर लेते हैं. तो ऐसा होता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर आप ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी में होते हो तो आपके खुद की बॉडी रिजेक्ट करती है उन सोल्स को अपने क्लोज आने के लिए जिनसे आपका कोई सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ना हो. सो दिस जर्नी इज नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ जर्नी वेयर a love story has been created for your own self. You can live happily ever after. This journey is given to you for spiritual purposes, so that you can work for humanity, so that you can increase the energies of earth and their vibration, so that earth can start healing, and by breaking those curses you will be able to heal your own entire family, your own generation, and not only that, you will be able to heal your own surrounding. So no matter how much pain you get, how much traumas you heal, it's a responsibility which you are here, and you have to fulfill those responsibilities. So thanks for watching this video and giving your precious time. Do like this video and keep healing. Namaste.